home, the American Adventure, will be here singing for you for the next few minutes, and I'm excited to see we've got 3 folks who know where the best place to hear our music is. They're correct. It's actually up close all the way up to this red circle because it puts you in the sweet spot underneath the dome where the sound is best. So before we go any further, I'd like to invite everyone to join them. In fact, you 3 can come all the way up to that red circle. Come in front of the benches and come have a seat with us. You won't regret it. Come all the way in and join us. Yeah. Well, we will be sharing with you some of our favorite music of the season.
Tables ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is listening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away.
Many of us are celebrating the Festival of Lights, or Hanukkah.
Oh, Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all get the hora. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat. Dreidels to play with and latkes to eat. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they will shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. We bring God's peace now, God's peace, we bring God's
I am curious, how many of you folks are visiting us from outside the state of Florida? Hands up, nice and high. Yeah, big surprise, right? Anyone from Florida here today? 5 of you. Well, we are so glad that all of you are with us today, but we're actually going to dedicate this next song to all of you folks from the Sunshine State.
I'm dreaming of Christmas, just like We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Especially from the Voices of Liberty, we hope you've had a Merry Christmas, have a Happy Hanukkah,
and Happy New Year.